I love you. I'll take care of you. You're beautiful. You're enough the way you are. I love your wrinkles. I love your smile. I'm your best friend. You're a great, great person. I really, really love you. I'm here for you. I trust you. I support you. I'm your best friend. This is how I would do my mirror exercises. This is how I would empower myself by becoming my own best friend. You can try doing this too. It feels wonderful. You are sending love to your own self. You're not shaming yourself. You're not bringing yourself down any longer. You are continuously feeding positive words and thoughts and support your own self. Inner work. Have a beautiful day.